being serious? You believe him? What? Clear his throat. You have a cheek to clear your throat. You're only after half of my dinner. Yo. You know it's near your bedtime? Do you? Are you listening, man? Shh. Don't. Isn't he the cheekiest? Get down here now. Shh. Look. You shush me one more time. Won't even let me own kids shush me. No wonder. They're not even picking up a phone on you. They're all shh. Right, that's it. Give me something to throw at him. You're lucky I can't get... You're lucky I can't get the hell of you. So cheeky. You just shh. Hear him saying F's sake. And it's a real big sake. I'm telling you, keep a cheek up. Just keep. Oh, where's some of the game? Right on the way. Right, where's that holy water?